Hello friends, welcome to TechStudyCell. In this project, I have built an IoT-based smart LED dimmer circuit using ESP Rainmaker. With this project, you can control the brightness of any 12-volt LED from anywhere in the world using ESP Rainmaker, Amazon Alexa, and Google Home. LED brightness 5%.
Alright, setting the window LED brightness to 5%.
Alexa,
Window LED brightness 90%.
Okay.
If there is no internet, still you can control the brightness with IR remote and manual push buttons. And if the ESP32 connected with the Wi-Fi, you can always monitor the real-time feedback. And here you can see I have made the complete circuit on the Zero PCB with the help of this bottom PCB layout. And I have used all the free plan, so after watching the complete video anyone can make this project. So without any further delay, let's get started. These are the required components for this project. Now we have to connect all these components as per this circuit diagram. The circuit is very simple. Here you have to give 12 volt DC supply. For ESP32 I have used 7805 voltage regulator and the IR receiver connected with the GPIO 33. Now here the ESP32 will generate PWM signal at GPIO 13, which is connected with the base of the TIP122 NPN transistor. According to the PWM signal, the transistor will on and off to control the LED brightness. You can also control the brightness manually with these push buttons. Now although you can make the circuit on the breadboard, but here to add more features to the circuit, I have designed this PCB using Altium, and now let me introduce you all to their brand new platform Altium Develop. It's a powerful cloud-based platform that brings electrical, mechanical, software, sourcing and manufacturing team together to a single shared space. So everyone works in real time with shared data and context. No more endless meeting or confusing email chain. With Altium Develop, feedback, update, decision happens instantly, keeping whole team connected and project moving faster. It combines the best of Altium Designer and Altium 365, creating one powerful platform for seamless teamwork without any extra cost or complexity. That's why top electronic companies around the world trust Altium for their product design and innovation. So if you are ready to speed up your workflow and take collaboration to the next level, start your free trial of Altium Develop. Link is in description. So if you want, you can download the PCB Java file from the video description, but in this video I will make the complete circuit on the Zero PCB. For that you just have to download the PCB layout, then print it on a A4 page according to the dimension mentioned on the layout, then paste the layout on the Zero PCB. After that, place all the components one by one on the PCB as per the layout. Now we have to connect all the components according to the circuit. Here you can take help from the bottom layout to solder and connect all the components as per the circuit. Now our PCB is ready. Now let me connect the ESP32, IR receiver, 7805 voltage regulator and attach the TIP122 transistor. Now we can program the ESP32. These are the source codes for this project. You can download all the codes from our website iotcircuithub.com. Just visit the article, you can find the link in the description. Then click on this button to download all the source code. Now after downloading, first you have to get the hex code of the IR remote buttons. For that, let me open this code with Arduino IDE. Now the code is very simple. You just have to install this IR remote library. And here I have connected the IR sensor with GPIO 33, and here you can see it will just print the hex code on the serial monitor. Now let me connect the ESP32 with my laptop, then select the proper board and COM port, then hit the upload button. Now here you can see the IR receiver is connected, and here I am going to use this IR remote. So first let me open the serial monitor, select the baud rate. Then I will reset the ESP32 using this button. Then I will press the first button to get the IR code for the first button. Then I will press the second button. Then I will press the third button. So thus we received the 3 hex code for the 3 button. I will just copy paste this 3 hex code to a notepad. Now let me open the main sketch using Arduino IDE. Now for this project I have used this version of the ESP32 2.0.14. Make sure you have to install this version only, and you have to install this IR remote library. Then these are the GPIO pins I have used for this project. Now to control the LED brightness manually, I have used push button. So if we press the push button or IR remote button to increase or decrease the brightness, it will increase either with +10 or -10. So you can change this brightness step value as per your requirement. Then this is the service name and pop for provisioning Rainmaker. Then this is the device name. Here I have given window LED. You can give any other name. Now we have to update the hex value of the IR codes. So first I will go to the notepad, then copy the first hex code which I will use to turn on and off the LED. Then I will copy the next button hex code which I will use to decrease the brightness. Then this is the hex code for the third button. I will use it to increase the brightness. After changing this hex code, you can directly upload this code to ESP32. Now if you don't want to use IR remote control, then keep this as it is. Just change the device name according to your requirement if you want. Otherwise you can directly upload this code to ESP32. For that, go to tools, select the board ESP32 dev module, then select the proper COM port. Then in the partition scheme, select the Rainmaker and enable this option so that it will erase all the flash before uploading the sketch. After doing all this, hit the upload button to upload the sketch. If you go through the sketch, you can easily understand. Still, if you have any query, you can let me know in the comment section, and I will also explain the complete code line by line in the article. So if you have any query, you can always refer the article. You can find the link in the description. After programming the ESP32, I will open the serial monitor. Then I will press and hold the boot button for 10 seconds to trigger the factory reset. Then release it. Here you can see factory reset trigger. Now I will copy this URL for the keyword, then open a browser, paste the URL, then open it. Now I have to scan this keyword using the ESP Rainmaker app. So let me open the ESP Rainmaker app, and I have to turn on the Bluetooth and location in my mobile. Then tap on add device, scan the QR code. Now sometimes it takes the Wi-Fi details automatically, but here I will tap on join other network, then enter the Wi-Fi name and the password, then tap on provision. So here you can see window LED is added. Now I will tap on done. So this is our device. I can control the brightness and also turn on and off. Now let me connect it with the Amazon Alexa. So I will go to setting, then tap on voice service, tap on Amazon Alexa, then link with Amazon Alexa, tap on link. Now let me log in with the Rainmaker account. So it added. Now let me connect the Google Home. So I will open the Google Home app, then tap on all device, then tap on add device, then link apps, search for ESP Rainmaker, tap on continue, then agree and continue. So this is our device window LED. Again you can give any other name. So I will just go to dashboard. So this is our device. We can also control it from the Google Home. Here you can see I have connected the 12 volt supply and a LED with the circuit. Now let me turn on the supply, and this blue LED indicates it connected with the Wi-Fi. So let me open the ESP Rainmaker app. So this is our device. Now let me turn it off, let me turn it on, let me reduce the brightness. Now let me go to Google Home. From here we can also control the brightness. Let me increase the brightness, let me turn it off. Now let me open the Amazon Alexa app, go to all device. So this is our device. Let me turn it on, let me reduce the brightness, and you can also control the LED from IR remote. Let me turn it off, let me turn it on, let me increase the brightness, and we can also monitor the real-time feedback on the Amazon Alexa. And apart from that, we can also control it from the push button. Let me reduce the brightness, Now let me increase the brightness. Here you can see I have placed the circuit inside the box. Now let me turn on the supply, and here you can see this is our window LED strip. Now we will control this strip. If the ESP32 connected with the Wi-Fi, you can control the LED from anywhere in the world with Amazon Alexa, Google Home and ESP Rainmaker. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.